Hi there, I'm going to show you how you can use a Twinkl PDF sheet that children can't normally type or make marks on digitally, but we have found a way of doing that using Hub Cymru, which is brilliant. So this is what I've chosen just as an example. It's draw a line from the mini beast to where you might find it. So I'm going to download that and it's going to come up straight in a PDF, which means I can't type or write on this. Another tip is you might not want all three sheets. You might want something more challenging for a certain set of children or just for your class. This is the one you want. You don't want all 3 pages. So firstly, I'm going to save this PDF. Now then, the way to do that, and you must do this in Chrome, is click print at the very top right hand corner here. Now you can either save as PDF, and you can save like that, and that will save all 3 pages. Or if you just want 1 page, for example, I just want to set this one because this is the level that my children need. I would save as PDF, pages, customized. Now this is page 3 on the PDF, so I'm going to save that. I'm going to take it to my computer and save it here. Yes. I've already saved one, so let me just call it what I mini beasts 2. Save that. Now I go to Hub, just too easy. J2 PDF, this red one here. Click. Now then, I need to drag that PDF I just saved, that mini beasts one, into here. Now I can either go down to my documents here and find it, or if you can't see that, just minimize this and that will take you then to your folder. But you just need to get the 2 windows out. Mini Beasts 2 was it? So I'm going to copy and drag and paste it in here. All I'm doing is holding down the mouse and dragging it over. Then the children can use text in this corner here to type what this is, and can do that on here and where they live. And then they can etc. And then to draw the line, they can use the pencil. The bee lives in a hive. You might be able to know how to use J2E much better than I can. I'm not very familiar with it, but that is a way of getting the PDFs from Twinkl and having the children then being able to write on it and being able to save it in their folders in Hub then on J2. Okay, thanks for listening. Bye.